Hello everyone, this is Nancy from LandPack company, and this is a video to show you how to change a new weighing sensor if the old sensor is broken. Now let's start. This is the video to teach you how to change the broken weighing sensor. This is the new one. At first, we need to move this stop hooper out. And then we need to move this weighing hooper out. And then we need to move this valve out. And then we need to use this T-times tool to loosen these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Loosen the screws out. After that, we need to loosen this 4 screws connector. After that, we need to loosen these 4 screws and then loosen these 2 screws. After loosen and remove these 4 screws, we can move this bolt out and this bolt out. And then we need to loosen these 2 screws out too. After we loosen these 4 screws out, and we can turn out this bolt. And then we need to loosen these 2 screws out to take out this bolt out. Yeah, after loosening these 2 screws, we remove this bolt. And then we need to loosen these 2 screws out. And these 4 small screws out. Here we can see this is the weighing sensor we removed out. This is the broken sensor. We need to change this one with this new one. Please pay attention to this position arrow. We need to put the new one according to this position arrow. Yeah, like this. And then we need to welding the screws on the screw board according to the color order, one by one. And this is our procession videos about the weigher. If you have any question, you can contact us. Thank you.